This program contains the cleaning process, ProLogic Audio System Check, 5.1 Channel Audio System Check, Audio Frequency Response Check, Color Fade, and video programs with 5.1 channel sound. When you do the audio system check, please select either the ProLogic or 5.1 channel system check based on your audio system. You may start from the cleaning process and continue through all programs, or you may choose one of the programs that meets your specific need. This DVD lens cleaner is specially designed with multiple microfiber brushes, which clean the dust, dirt, and small particles from your DVD lens. The cleaning process will soon begin and last for 30 seconds. The cleaning is complete now. The ProLogic System Check allows you to check whether the wire connection of your speakers is correct or not. Please switch the power off and check the wire connection of your speakers once again if you find that any of your speakers does not perform properly. The 5.1 channel system check allows you to check whether the wire connection of your speakers is correct or not. Please switch the power off and check the wire connection of your speakers once again if you find that any of your speakers does not perform properly. This program helps you to check the sound quality of your speakers from 500 Hz to 20,000 Hz. You can determine if your front left, central, front right, rear right, and left speakers perform properly at 500 Hz, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, and 20,000 Hz, and check the performance of your subwoofer between 20 and 350 Hz. Now you have 60 seconds to adjust the colors, brightness, and contrast of your TV. You may go back to the home page and start the color fade check again if you need more time for adjustment. Enjoy the animated video programs now. Here are two programs, Helicopter and Train, with 5.1 channel system audio sound performance.